Hello and welcome back. And it's my day off, so just mucking about up in the shack again and still playing around with this little 802 mixing desk and, you know, getting a feel for it. I thought what I'd try and do today, if it's possible, is I would try and record record a single clip on the radio using the sort of bridge camera like I would do on the sort of normal 4pm net. And then what I'll do is I'll record just a little bit of commercial AM radio, 15665. I don't know what that is. It's quite a powerful station. Tom will know. Tom, you'll know that station. It's probably Radio China because it's banging in at about +20, massive kilowatt station. But I thought I'd record a bit of that via the microphones built into the camera, like I would normally do my videos, and then I'll record the same thing on the mixing desk, and then I'll put the two clips up. One after the other, so we can compare the difference between actually going through the mixing desk and just using the camera and the normal sort of amplifier like I normally do, and yeah, see what it sounds like in, you know, on a difference. And then when I get onto the 4pm net, hopefully I can do a new type of recording. So that's what we're going to do. So we're going to crack on and do that.
Солнце и дерево. Это означало, что солнце взошло, но не поднялось еще выше деревьев. Солнце, как известно, восходит на востоке. Так получился иероглиф «Том» – «Восток».
А этимология иероглифа «Си» – «Запад»?
Верхний графический элемент иероглифа «Си» в древности изображал птицу, а нижний – птичье гнездо. Это значило, что после заката солнца птицы возвращаются в свое гнездо. Солнце и дерево. Это означало, что солнце взошло, но не поднялось еще выше деревьев. Солнце, как известно, восходит на востоке. Так получился иероглиф «Том» – «Восток».
А этимология иероглифа «Си» – «Запад»?
Верхний графический элемент иероглифа «Си» в древности изображал птицу, а нижний – птичье гнездо. Это значило, что после заката солнца птицы возвращаются в свое гнездо и отдыхают.
Right, so that's those clips recorded. No idea how they've come out, of course, until I actually play them back on the computer. But hopefully, what you're going to notice is a massive increase in the audio quality directly recorded via the mixer, as opposed to the microphones on the camera. So I'm going to go downstairs. I'm going to edit those, and I'll put it into a video. And yeah, I'll put this up on Fred in the Shed too, and hopefully you can sort of see what I'm trying to achieve. I kind of sorted it out a little bit. It's not quite so messy. I need to get this bottom section sorted out a bit more, the wires and hidden and things, but I'm getting there, and I'm starting to, you know, get there. I certainly like the desk. I like the setup, you know, so much easier, so much more comfortable than what I had before. Alright, cheers, thanks for watching this nonsense, and yeah, catch you on the next one. Bye bye now.